there. So this evening I am doing a box opening, and the company, I can't pronounce it, so it is Ocooch Hardwoods, and they are in Wisconsin. Well, I got this box, and they do sell on Amazon, so you can buy it on Amazon. You get free shipping with that. I am not affiliated with them. I am not sponsored by them. I bought this myself with my own cash, such as it is. So anyway, I thought I would just unbox this. We can do it together here. I'm waiting for my desk piece to dry because I want to get that done before this cold snap. Here in the Midwest, it's going to be minus degrees, so we will see what happens. And so this is a fixed seconds 20-pound box and a 10-pound box of exotic. So we're looking at 30 pounds here in this box. I was wondering why it's so heavy. And then here is their pamphlet. And there's their address. Okay, and again, there's no affiliation here, but just kind of wanted to give them some love. Okay, so we have, and of course, they did not write on their wood, but one of these is Paduk, is it? I believe it's this one. This one looks like orange wood. Haha, it is orange, but I believe it's like orange wood. And these are 12 inches by 4 inches by 3/4 of an inch. You could always use that for inlay. Yep, same 12. 4 inches. We can use it for inlay for boxes or something. And we've got 2 pieces of Purple Heart. I've got this love-hate thing going on with Purple Heart. We're at 21 3/8 and 5/8, it looks like, and 4 inches. You know, because this stuff turns dark. I mean, it's beautiful stuff, but I made one of my kids a pen, and it started turning dark. So somebody told me just put it in the sun for a while. And I'm like, really? Put it in the sun? Okay, this is 20, again, 22, 21 3/8. And this is really narrow. My goodness, super narrow. About 1/4 of an inch, but we use that for inlay. Wood is so hard, we could use it for a box maybe, or a top or a lid or something. You know, we got enough to do something with it. That's for sure. I'm loving this orange. This orange is awesome. I do not know what this is, but this is pretty astounding. Don't you think? I love these mystery boxes. They are just the cat's pajamas. Mystery boxes. This is a good 2 feet by 5 3/4 by, give or take, 3/8. But definitely can do something with this. I just finished making my son a computer desk. The cold snap is coming, so I know I'm not going to be out here in the next few days. Might as well clean the house. This this looks like canary wood. Is that what that is? Let's see. Try to keep it gleam off of there. See that green that's in it? Can you see the green stripe? Isn't that cool? And again, that's roughly, yeah, roughly the same measurements. This one is a teeny bit thicker, not by much. I've got enough here to do something too. I love this. This is just absolutely beautiful. Reminds me of petting a tiger. Anyway, let's not get carried away there. I'm not sure what this is. Anybody, if you want to make a guess as to what this is. It's a little bowed. And we had a couple of pieces, so we can for sure make something. Not sure what we can make, but we can make something. I'm never sure what we can make. Oh, this is like 8 inches. That's a lot. 8 by 12. So they're not, well, maybe, well, no, they're not matched, but they sure are pretty, whatever they are. And I don't know what this is, but got a slight defect right here. See that? And there's one here on this side as well. Not sure what it is. It almost looks like it's just a piece of pine. Watch it be like ash or something. I like the other box that we got. Remember that box where everything was marked? Well, this is pretty too. I don't know what it is, but there's certainly a lot of character in here. See that? Ow. And that one, we only have 2 of these, so we can, I don't know, we can make something out of it. Or, you know, it's, like I always say, it's good for inlay. And get a couple more of these boards. I've got a few different species here. I mean, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 species. This almost looks like poplar. I've seen poplar like this. I actually have a piece of poplar that looks like that. I'm not saying I'm like I know. Oh wow, I like that purple. See that purple line running through there? That's cool. Purple wood, purple wood. Oh, so it's purple and black on that side, and it's black on this side. I like the purple side. I love purple. Oh wait, look. We've got, no way. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but they're like kind of matching, right? Anyway, so we've got these, and oh, wood. That's wood. There's that. This is really white, and it's very light. It's really like light. I don't know what it is, but it's a really light wood. Almost feels like a piece of foam or something. And then here's something. Ah, our friend walnut. How could we not Nope. It's some water stain, but here's some walnut. Sorry, I'm keeping the walnut all to myself, right? I've come to really, really like walnut. This is, I'm trying to see if this matches anything else we've gotten. I don't think so though. Nope. Like I say though, we've got a few different species. Oh look, here's more walnut. Well, they certainly did send us something. They sent us enough to do something with, for sure, because this is 2 feet by 4 inches by 3/4 of an inch. And we've got these two boards. And these are 12 inches by 6 inches by 5/8 inches. We're gonna have to make something out of this. We'll get together and we'll make a box, I guess. We've got enough for a box or something. We will make something. And okay, we'll put this here. And here's another one of those really light colored boards. But this one must be pine. I think this is pine. I keep saying, oh yeah, this is pine. See that? Ah, it's pine. Why would they send me a pine board? All right, anyway. Oh no, we're almost at the end of our box. This one is like glowy. This is kind of interesting. There's 2 pieces here. So again, we can do something with this. We can, worst case, I like all the movement on the board. See all that movement? We didn't get out anything else with that. Maybe this? No. Maybe. No. Maybe. Okay, yeah, let's play the puzzle game, right? Maybe. Oh, wait. Oops. Oh, no. What do you think? I don't think so, huh? I hold it up a little longer so you can really see. Put it by side. No, I don't think so. This one here seems darker than this one. I don't know. And it's got like a little pink hue to it. Little bit of a defect right here. Can you see the little crack? The little crack right, yeah, right there. But anyway, that's that. So that was kind of cool. That's the mystery box from this place. And again, I am not sponsored by them. But we did get a lot of really nice looking wood. Some, I mean, whatever. This is really interesting. It's really light. I just don't know what it is. I wish I knew my wood species a little bit better. better. I don't feel so bad because I saw a someone that is well known in the YouTube wood world, if you will, and he did an unboxing. It didn't know any of the species, so at least I knew Purple Heart, right? That was something. But anyway, yeah. Oh, canary wood. Did I say canary wood? Wow, that's pretty, huh? Oh, look, can you see that? It's absolutely beautiful. It's got all kinds of colors. We should make something out of this. Wow, we could put this together. We could even, you know what I have never made is I've made furniture as a beginner, but I've never made a cutting board. So we might do a cutting board. We certainly have enough pieces of wood here to do a cutting board. So anyway, all right. You have a great evening. Thank you for joining me, unveiling this mystery box of wood, and we will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.